my channel and welcome back to another curly review video. I'm super excited to be trying out Pump Haircare. I want to thank them for sending me these products and for partnering with me for this video. My hair needs a serious wash and style. It's just really gross. I don't know what went wrong in my last wash, but it's the worst it's ever been. So in the shower, I'm going to shampoo as normal and then I'm going to try out this Curl and Grow mask from Pump Haircare. It's curly girl friendly and curly girl approved. It says on the back it's packed with biotin to strengthen hair and jojoba oil. Is that how you say it? Jojoba. That ingredient works so well with my hair, so I already feel like this is going to be amazing. Also, if you follow the curly girl method, you don't need to shampoo because this works as a co-wash mask. But it depends on your hair type. My scalp is really greasy at the moment, so I'm just going to put a little bit of shampoo and then leave this mask in for 20 minutes. I'm going to put a shower cap on. But yeah, it's sulfate free, organic and cruelty free. Then they sent me this soft curl gel and this Spring Back Curls Day 2 Curl Refresher. It says it also works well as a detangler and to reduce frizz, so I'm gonna spray a bit of that on when styling. I'm so excited to try these out, and the fact that they're curly girl method approved, I know they're gonna be nice and healthy for my hair. Let's do a little before and after. My ends are super dry and then my roots are really just like gross and greasy. Let's fix this mess. I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'll be back. Alright guys, I just got out of the shower. I have my bathrobe on and I'm gonna apply the mask. I just opened it before and the smell is so good. Let me tell you, I have a lot of masks and a lot of products and most of them they just smell like a general hair care item, like citrusy, which is fine, fresh and citrusy. But I love products that have like a really strong, unique smell and are still like organic and healthy for your curls. This reminds me of like watermelon lip balm. It is so yummy. I can't wait for my hair to smell like this. So you don't have to apply a shampoo if you're following the curly girl method. I just applied a bit because my scalp was like really dirty. Good, okay. Got that much. My hair is just so dry and matted, it really needs a mask, so I'm glad we're doing this, guys. So I'm not like rubbing it into my scalp, but I am applying it along my scalp all the way through to the ends. And my hair is very knotty at the moment, so I'm just going to brush through it. And this will make sure the mask gets evenly distributed throughout my whole hair. I have to learn to be more gentle with my hair. I tend to just like go in really rough, but that just causes breakage, so I'm trying to be more gentle. Now I'm putting on a shower cap. That's just gonna lock in all the moisture. And I think I'm going to go do my makeup, so I'll let that sit for 20 minutes and then I'll come back to you when it's rinsed out. Okay, so I did my makeup while the mask was in my hair and then I just rinsed it out now. Let's get into the styling products. I used new makeup, by the way. I didn't use any powders. I'm normally a powder girl, but I used all like cream stuff. Anyway, back to the curls. Okay, so on this little card that they gave me, it says the Spring Back Curls is perfect for detangling and preventing frizz and as a curl refresher between washes. I'm gonna spray some of this now. I'm just gonna section my hair in half. Ooh, this one has a different smell as well. It's really like a strong, it reminds me of like cinnamon or something. I'm just gonna kind of pat that in. The mist is really fine and like luxurious. I like it. I'm excited to use it as a refresher spray as well. Now we're gonna go in with the soft curl gel. It says here it's perfect to style curls, giving a strong hold without crunch. Okay, so it's not like a super jelly consistency. It's a bit more liquidy. All these 3 different products have really unique smells. This one smells like coconut. And I'm just scrunching in this gel. Now I'm going to go through my hair with a styling brush just to enhance that definition. And now I'm going to scrunch. Just going through the bits I want to keep extra defined. I'm just going to give it one last spray of the Spring Back Curl Spray, just to ensure that it's hydrated everywhere. Cinnamon, yum. Okay, so far so good. My curls look like they're getting that definition. I'm gonna go have a lunch break and then I'll come back to you when I'm diffusing. Yes, 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 yes. After diffusing for 5 minutes with heat and then the rest with cold air for about 20 minutes, I didn't even have to fluff my hair. My hair already had volume. It already looked good. This is after fluffing and that just added a bit of extra volume, but I think I can tell that these products were made to just enhance curly hair. There's minimal frizz happening at the top. I do struggle with that, but yeah, no frizz. Yeah, no complaints from me. The definition is on point as well. This is the best results that I've gotten throughout the past 2 weeks of washes. The volume is just outstanding. I don't know, they feel different, like very airy and light, especially compared to my last wash. The products I used at last wash were really like heavy, and that's what kind of created that matty like grossness after a couple of days. But these products feel so good in my hair, super soft and light, but that definition is still there. And the volume, hi. Not to mention the smell is amazing. They're really like fluffy and light, which I like, because sometimes after wash days my hair can be really weighed down and there's like too much moisture, which I don't mind. But now that I've tried these products out, it's like, wow, I really like this kind of light fluffy texture that my hair has. This is my honest opinion. Pump didn't tell me to say anything. I don't have a script. They just wanted my natural reaction, and I am really, really happy with the results. Just super like natural looking with that effortless kind of definition and volume. Definitely an improvement from earlier today. I'll leave a link down below to their website if you want to try out these amazing products. Let me know your thoughts on these results compared to my other review videos, and let me know if you're going to try out this range. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.